guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing an unboxing as they come in. In the last couple of days / week, have ordered way too many diamond paintings and diamond painting type things. I just have been very excited that I'm able to do it again. So I placed some Amazon orders. I placed an order. I was influenced by Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea to order on Temu, and that order just actually gave me the notification that it shipped like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. So that should be coming soon. And I went to Hobby Lobby. So I placed like several Amazon orders, a Temu order, and then went to Hobby Lobby, and those will be filtering in. I think I've got 3 or 4 kits that I need to do unboxings for the Hobby Lobby ones. And then of course I'll be doing the unboxings for the other kits as well. But yes, I've gotten a little wild, but that's okay. I will link this down below. I forget where I saw somebody unbox this, but I saw someone unbox this. It is Diamond Art Freestyle stickers. I'll link her video down below, or her channel down below as well. But yeah, so I saw her unbox these and was like, ooh, I need to get them. And then they were super cheap on Amazon. So I will go ahead and leave the link for those down below as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. So it showed up in a box, and I was like, I was not expecting a box, you know, like when I grabbed the package to open it, I was like, are you sure that's for me? Because diamond paintings don't usually come in boxes, and I forgot like how it had showed up in her video. But anyway, so this is it. I'm gonna just dump everything out. Okay, let's start with the toolkit. So this is the toolkit that came with this, I don't know, little craft here. We've got a nice blue pen with, what is that, a 3-placer? Cool. Some blue heart wax. You don't see the blue wax very often. A blue grip. And then this tray, which I like. I've never had one of these before, but I like the idea of being able to dump this out. But I don't know, like, do you just put your thumb over it when you shake it to like not dump it out? I don't know. Anyways, so this is the tray here. Cool. So that is our kit. Now this little Ziploc bag of goodness are a bunch of stickers that, as you can see, are just and then, what is this? Like a little dot in the middle. So let me lay a bunch of these out here so you can kind of see. Whoop. But the whole idea of these stickers is a black outline. So you do a black outline on it, and then they just give you a metric butt ton of colors. And you can go through, and that's why it's called Freestyle, right? So you go through and you can pick what colors you want to do on all of these stickers. So you can just really make them your own, which I really enjoy putting these diamond painting stickers. I can actually show you what I do with them, because I do use them, but while I'm waiting to use them, I put them in this little reusable sticker book. I think I commented on her channel and was like, I put my Diamond Art Club stickers in this reusable sticker book too. So anyways, these are all the stickers, which it's going to be really, really fun to put, you know, like my own spin on all of these, like especially some of these more like retro groovy ones. I wish there was like a peace sign, because I do this like all the time, but that's okay. But yeah, this is going to be really, really fun. This would be great for like if you have kids too. Like just like a little craft time with kids or whatever. I don't know what age appropriateness there is for that, but I don't have kids in an age appropriate range, so I'm just gonna knock them out myself. But yeah, I think this is a really, really fun idea. And yeah, but let me show you what I do with my stickers while I'm waiting to put them. I usually put them like on cards or in my planners. But I have this reusable sticker book from No White Space Stickers. And I put all of like my collectible coffee stickers in here, but also like my diamond painted stickers. And then I'll just go through, I had a ton more of these Mario ones. But yeah, so I've got like my coffee stickers in there. and then my diamond painted stickers, and I'll just go through and, you know, take them out boop, when I'm ready to use them. And you can just like move these around and everything like that. I cut out the Diamond Art Club pictures that I do and put them in here as well, like those stickers that show up on the legends. This isn't relevant to the video, but while I have this out, so yeah, that's what I do with those. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but at some point I might stick them to something. So that is what I plan to do with these as I finish them, is just shove them in this little book that I have, and you know, use them in my planner, use them on like little postcards or whatever. Yeah, because they're just cute. So let me show you all of the different colors. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it, but these are all of the colors that they sent. So you've got a ton of black because, like I said, everything's outlined in black. And then it just goes for days. Like for literal days. You just have all of these different colors, different shades of blue, green, purple, and I am just sprinkling everywhere. But that's it. So really, really cool. I'll leave it linked down below because, as I said, it was super inexpensive and I really think this is a fun idea. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day at night whenever you are watching this. If you're into wax and diamond painting videos, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.